to navigate and set up start and stop time parameter on the programmer for a remedy model 1001. How to navigate and set up start and stop time parameter. The start and stop time settings are found within the Therapy tab, accessible only when the device is in monitor or therapy mode. Each day of the week allows for individualized start and stop times, offering flexibility according to the patient's daily routine. To set these times, navigate to the specific day and input the start and stop times using military time format. Press Program to save these settings to the implanted device. For instance, if a patient typically sleeps from 10 p.m., 2200 hours, to 7 a.m., 0700, the start time would be 2200 and the stop time would be 0700. To apply these times to all days, select Copy and then Program. When configuring start and stop times, things to keep in mind. 1. Time follows a 24-hour military clock format. 2. Start times must be either before midnight or after midnight. The system will prevent setting conflicting start times across consecutive days. 3. Adjust the maximum dose therapy hours to match the duration between start and stop times to ensure uninterrupted therapy delivery. For the patient mentioned above, start and stop time of 2200 to 0700 would equate to 9 hours of therapy. Adjust the max dose to 9 hours. 4. If nightly titration is enabled, adjust it according to the new start and stop times in the respective tab. These were the steps for how to set up start and stop time on a remedy model 1001.